tram service since 1904. People think tram is an icon of Hong Kong because they have mixed with the British culture and also the Hong Kong normal life of the people.
I'm proud to provide the solution to the icon of Hong Kong.
Year 2012, I came to InnoTram. I meet the SKF expert, and since then, they tell me how to design the axle box, how to find the bearing sufficient for our application.
The main challenge of this project was to put the new technology for the old tram, to select the correct bearing. We have a plan for the future. We would like to supply also another bearing for this solution, and also we would like to have a business with the service. It means the maintenance of this already used bearings.